They also, during their developer conference, showed off a new square foldable phone design. And they were really just showing off their new One UI 2, which of course is their interface on their Android devices. And it's gotten a lot better, by the way, from the TouchWiz days, One UI that is. You might not even want to use a launcher on some of these recent Samsung devices. Anyway, so at their developers conference, of course, it's a software-focused event. But then during the presentation, they showed off this clamshell square folding display in conjunction with the pre-existing Galaxy Fold style of fold, which of course folds like this, and then it's long. This is more sort of like the Motorola style fold into the clamshell for a more compact package once it's folded up. And they showed how the UI was going to interact with that style of fold. So you got to believe they're doing it well. They mean that little demonstration, that animation there, or showcasing the software, you can see they also have the pinhole camera there that they thought about. It's all very interesting. It looks somewhat real. And it also fits with some other rumors that have emerged regarding future Samsung folding devices. And of course, the emergence of the Motorola folding device, which is probably going to fit this profile exactly. And you think Samsung would want to play in that territory. They're not going to want to let Motorola be the option for the clamshell square style fold.
Yep.
So sooner than later, we might be seeing this secondary fold implementation. And as I've talked about in the past, Will, I think folding this way, the clam fold, is the real folding phone. I think folding the other way is actually a folding tablet. Because the main, you see, because the portability, once that's unfolded, it's a typical phone format.
Yes.
The clam.
Yes. He did like a Muppet move right there.
He didn't catch it because he was on the other camera. He didn't catch it.
Okay.
Whereas the other fold, when it's unfolded, it's a tablet. So I think the unfolded status actually is the indicator of what the real device is. This has been my feeling for a while. Anyhow, you don't have to agree with it. It's fine. What's a phone? Why are we even calling it a phone? No one's phoning anyone anymore.
So
when's the last time you had a phone call, Will? Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's been a while.
That's why.
What about the Mate X? Like what is that?
That's a folding tablet as well. Oh, that one's tricky.
It folds on the outside.
Because when it's folded, it really does feel like a modern phone on its own. That one's tricky. That one might be both, a folding phone and a folding tablet.
Oh, okay.
But anyhow,
all right.
It's a pretty cool graphic. It gives you an idea of what Samsung's version of a clamshell style fold would be like and how it can use its experience in the One UI to adapt to these types of circumstances. And because they are the hardware manufacturer, they kind of get a head start on imagining some of these interfaces. Maybe even before Google has a clear path towards how it should work, because Google might not be experimenting. They probably are experimenting with hardware like this as well. But anyhow, you get where I'm going. They have some degree of integration hardware, software for this next version of One UI 2 and upcoming folding devices.